Notice anything different? Hi guys! So yes, I finally colored my hair red. I have always wanted to have red hair and I'm so glad I did it because it looks really cool, I think. What do you guys think? We have a busy day. We are flying to Delhi again for Gaurav's store launch, which is really exciting. Before that, we're heading to the MS store for a lunch, and I had to run out. I've got my luggage, all of that. I'm gonna go for the lunch and then head straight to Delhi and then fly back tomorrow morning. So yeah, this is gonna be one of those whirlwind vlogs which just goes by whoosh. So yeah, I have not worn any makeup. This is my skin as is, breaking out slightly, period pimples. Okay, so yeah, I don't have a lot of makeup on me because I packed most of my makeup, but this is how I do my makeup in a cab when I'm really late. I have a lot of these minis in my bag, and we're gonna try and look slightly presentable. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, I was packing this morning really quickly before I left, and I haven't really worn anything whatsoever, not even moisturizer today. I didn't even have time for that. And then I need to do my brows because now with my hair I have to do my brows slightly, otherwise they look too dark. This is what I use for my brows. This is a lot harder in a moving cab, but we don't have an option. So I am ready. I'm also going to show you guys my outfit in a bit. I'm wearing my new Sarojini dress, which I love. So yeah, power pack day. Let's do this. Okay, so I have to skip dessert and we're running because I am going to miss my flight. I don't think I've ever been so late for a flight. So we have made it. We've gotten our boarding passes. This has been like one of the scariest flights for me. For you?
Yeah, 100%. The scariest
Like,
ever.
We have made it to Delhi. It is 7 p.m. and yeah, for the first time I actually thought I was going to miss a flight, but I did not. I am here and I'm staring at myself on the screen because my red hair is still very new and I like looking at it. But yeah, 7 p.m. We have about an hour to get ready, eat dinner. Dinner is a must. You guys know I can't function on an empty stomach. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys my lovely room. Check it out, check it out, check it out. So it's really unfortunate that I just have this for like a few hours because I am leaving tomorrow morning. Check out the loo. I want to be there right now. Since I promised you guys a look at my outfit, here it is. So I've just showered and my dinner is here. Are you ready to see what I got? Okay, so we have some dal makhani, which is always yum in Delhi, and some boti kebab. Okay, so I just wolfed down that meal and now I feel like I need a bed. But we have to get ready. 10 minutes to do my makeup, get ready and leave. So this is what I look like after. Ta-da! So I have this gorgeous gown on and I can't really show it to you right now because I wouldn't be doing justice to it in this light. I will show it to you at the store. We are very late. Let's go. Hello! The man of the hour! Is a very talented boy. If you ever need pictures, Sagar. My date for the evening, Sumaya.
Okay, earlier on the date, it's free time.
Yeah, the two of us always are the only two together.
Let my likeness be on all the icons, in the churches, in the temples, and in the mosques.
Have you seen her hair? It's short. Have you seen the clothes she wears? Trousers, sports shoes. Boy, lady. Boy. Okay, so we're back at the hotel and I cannot feel my toes anymore because I've worn stilettos after so long. I don't know how you ladies do it, like people do it all the time. I just cannot do it. But it was such a fun night and the store is beautiful. Congratulations, Gaurav. For those of you who don't know, Gaurav designed my wedding outfit, this beautiful number, and I think it's the most beautiful thing I will ever wear in life, unless he comes up with something more spectacular, which only he can do. So yeah, it was a really fun night, and if you guys are in Delhi, you must check out the store. It was really beautiful. Now I am gonna take off my makeup, shower, and go to bed. Good night. Morning, we are off to get some breakfast and then we have to fly out. So yeah, I haven't had a good hotel breakfast in a while, so excited about that. Morning. Okay, just about made it to my flight. I pretty much almost missed this one as well. I owe it to Kavita, Rupa and Harjeet from Jet Airways. Thank you for making me make this. We are heading home. So I'm back home. It's been a long day. I've just come home, had lunch and chilled. Now there are lots of packages that have come in, which I will show you guys. So we have this big guy which I ordered from Amazon, which I will show you some small stuff, and this is from Hermes. So it was at the event and they were like, how are you going to take this on your flight? We will send it to you. So dying to open that. We have some here. So this is my favorite part, to come home to gifts and to open them. This looks very exciting. So we have something from Just Cavalli. Let's see what we have. That looks so pretty. Ooh, it's a new watch. How pretty is this? Thanks, guys. Then we have some stuff from the Bori kitchen. How cool is this? They've sent me a golden ticket to come and eat at any time. That's really sweet. And some of their chutneys and sheer kurma. I'm gonna first untie the balloons and make sure I secure them. Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what we have in this little guy, but we will find out. This is from Diti Mystery. It's a pin. How cute is that? Okay, so the big guy is my Philips steamer. I know I ordered that on Amazon. It's taken 10 days to come. I've been waiting for this. Let's unbox and set it up. Okay, first impressions, I am loving it. So it was really easy to assemble. I did not even need to look at the manual, and yeah, I love that it has this board thingy which you can kind of like see the whole shirt. You can do like a dress or whatever, which is my biggest problem with my manual one. Like this is like a lot more stable and a lot more steady, and I think it's going to be easy to store as well. So very excited about this purchase. If you guys want me to do a detailed review in the next to buy or not to buy video, leave that in the comments. I will use this a lot more and review it for you guys. Also, now we are literally unpacking one suitcase and repacking the suitcase, because when I leave for Kochi tomorrow for an exciting video you will see on coupling soon. So I think this is the end of the vlog. It's been a long eventful 2 days. I still have to finish packing for tomorrow, do a lot of work and clean up the mess I have created here. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part of today's vlog. See you guys. Bye.